silence, I'm done with pain. The walls are breaking under the strain. I've held my breath, I burn inside. Now I'll ignite what you can't hide.
Every chain becomes a flame, every scream will know your name.